Hi guys, welcome to the demo of knowledge base chatbot. So the chatbot uses GPT 3.5, which is ChatGPT, and it will answer questions based on the custom user knowledge or data. All the data is stored in a folder which can contain PDF or Word document. So for this demo, I'm just going to ask questions on this data, which is like backup and recovery. And so this is a big data. So let's see how the AI answering these questions. Let's start with a simple hi. So it has a streaming response. It will just stream the response continuously. How long does the cloud backups are retained? See, it is answering correctly. Cloud backups are retained for 1 year, which is this.